Good morning, guys. I just woke up and I started watching some China show. And then there was a song in the China show that I wanted to figure out what the hell is that from. Like, that sounds pretty good. So I Shazammed it. And then I started going on a listening spree on YouTube, autoplay, or whatever you call it. I'm just presented with banger after banger. I'll post my discoveries in the description so you guys can check these songs out. Pretty good stuff. I posted them into my server too, so the other guys can listen to them. But yeah, yesterday I ended up going over to my friend's mom, and I mean my friend was there too, and his girlfriend. But yeah, they had to leave at one point, and I just stayed around and just hung out, and we watched this Danish show called Vild med Dans, or Crazy About Dancing, where, you know, celebrities will be dancing, and typically one of the partners will be new to dancing and the other will be a professional. But yeah, this show has been going on for like 22 years in Denmark. It's just a part of Danish culture for the past 22 years. Everyone knows it. Everyone has seen it. I don't watch it religiously, but I have seen it here and there. And yeah, it was gonna be the final finale, and then they canceled the show permanently. So I stuck around and watched that all the way until 11 p.m. But yeah, I guess another period has been made in my life. Life seems nothing but turning pages and placing periods. But yeah, now that's not coming back. But hey, it was nice to be there for the finale. Not that I really care too much. But damn, there was some really technically impressive dancing in there, gotta admit. Yeah, these eggs are looking crunchy enough to get off now. I think I'm gonna rewatch or finish watching the China show and eat this. I fell asleep, guys. I've been sleeping most today. I'm making a pizza in the oven now. I'm still sick as fuck. I hope tomorrow I'll be able to taste and smell again. Hopefully, let's see. I'm just gonna apply to that education tonight. Get some of that study money. Good evening, guys. I went for a bit of a walk. I feel like the walks are kind of important when I'm sick, even if I have to go out in the cold for a bit. I feel like just moving around, using my body is kind of healing. And then I'm using an old trick. I don't know if this is just a placebo, but growing up, my mom always told me that you gotta drink Coca-Cola, specifically the brand name stuff, if you're sick. So I got me a bottle of Coke. Hopefully it'll help out better than the no-name brand soda or Coca-Cola did yesterday. Well, not Coca-Cola, I guess a budget Coke. But yeah, I got the real stuff today. Hopefully it'll help out, or maybe the placebo will. I sure believe in it. It's always helped me out. And maybe I went for the bit of a longer walk because there's a cute worker in that supermarket that I haven't been able to spot for a few weeks now. I want to get their number. Hey guys, I've been busy cooking. I just had some friends over, some privately minded friends over for dinner. It was nice. We ate, we talked a bunch. And yeah, now I'm just gonna rest, just kind of chill and talk to Stony. This is where we sat, a bunch of milk glasses.